ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಈ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಲ್ ಇಮಿಗ್ರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಆಚೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ?
Petitioner is a doctor and an activist who helps police to identify illegal immigrants and deport them.
ಇದೇ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್.
May I request my lord to please take page number 16. The complaint and the complaint's address is as follows. Page number 16.
ಬಾಂಗ್ಲಾದೇಶ
ಪಶ್ಚಿಮ ರಾಜ್ಪುರ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಶರಣ್-ಕೊಳ್ಳ ರಂದಾ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಠಾಣೆ ಬಗೇರಾ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಬಾಂಗ್ಲಾದೇಶ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ. On the petitioner.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಈ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಲ್ ಇಮಿಗ್ರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಆಚೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ.
ಏನ್ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ? ಅವ್ರ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಅದು ಬಾಂಗ್ಲಾದೇಶಿಂದ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್.
Correct, my lord. We have produced before the FRRO.
No.
What produced before the FIR? How are you registering crime against this man?
No, that is the allegation.
When, what is the allegation?
Allegation is beaten.
What is beaten?
Allegation my lord is ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, my lord, may I...
SOP ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಆಚೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ದೆಮ್ ಟೀತ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟೇ ಹಿಯರ್.
My lord, immediately we have
What immediately?
No, we have produced before the FRRO.
Look at complaint. Bangladesh Rashtra.
I've seen that.
What, sir? How did you even take this complaint?
No, because they said the allegation is
ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಎಲ್ಲಿ?
ಮುಂದೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ,
ಇದ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರು ಅಂತ.
ನಾನು ಮೇಲ್ಕಂಡ ವಿಳಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಟುಂಬ ಸಮೇತ ವಾಸವಾಗಿದ್ದುಕೊಂಡು ಜೀವನಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಸುಮಾರು 4 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ DS Max ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಕಿಂಗ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೇನೆ. ನಾವು ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 18, a letter to FRRO by the investigation officer.
One moment.
This is based on my information. The investigation officer writes to FRRO.
Counter blast straight away. ಅದ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
At 11:30 and yes. FIR is registered at 11:45.
11:30ಗೆ ನೀವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು?
ನನ್ನ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ದಿ IO ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಟು FRRO ಮೇಲ್ಕಂಡ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ತಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋರಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದೇನೆಂದರೆ ದಿನಾಂಕ 22/7/26 ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಸುಮಾರು 11:30 ಗಂಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ನಾವು ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ FIR. FIR is at page number 13. Information received at PS is 11:45.
15 minutes ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
15 minutes ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಬ್ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ದೇ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಐ ಅಸಾಲ್ಟೆಡ್ ಹರ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇರುವಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 74, 126, 115, 79.
This is why these illegal immigrants stay on.
Correct.
If the government supports them like this is what will happen.
We are not supporting.
Then what is this, sir?
Immediately we have placed it, taken them.
You have communicate. The IO communicates to the FRRO at 11:30 in terms of the SOP. They should have been sent out.
No, but FRRO has to take a decision.
FRRO has to take a decision. Astral criming and entertain ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ 15 minutes ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
No, but
is it not a straight counter blast on these people?
The allegation is that they have also beaten. That is the allegation.
Where is the allegation beaten? IO himself communicates they should be sent. ಒಂದು ಅಕ್ಷರ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
Page 17.
ಅಲ್ಲ, page 18 ಅಲ್ಲಿ IO communicate ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ರು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ? ಸೇಮ್ IO.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್, ದೇ ಸೇ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 15 years. ಈ FRRO ಬರೆದಿರೋ ಪತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 18 ಅಲ್ಲಿ there is one paragraph, third paragraph, ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಬಿಲಾಲ್ ತಂದೆ so and so DS Max ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಹಾಡೋ ಸಿದ್ದಾಪುರ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ನಗರ ಈತನನ್ನು ವಶಕ್ಕೆ ಪಡೆದು ಸ್ವಂತ. I tell you,
if the system supports anything like this, illegal immigrants will mushroom. It is dangerous to the system. Security of the nation is at threat. And you register a crime against this man who shows that this is an illegal immigrant staying here. And for what? Counter blast ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ವಾ ಇದು? 11:00 FRRO ಬರೀತಾರೆ, 11:45 ಹೊಡೆದ್ರು ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್?
If they produce and if they make an allegation against them before FRRO, all those things will also have.
ಅಲ್ಲ, where is it, sir? FRRO ಮುಂದೆ ಹೇಳಿದಾರೋ? ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ. FRRO ಮುಂದೆ IO rights to the FRRO, nothing is said.
So allegation may not is beaten. That is the reason they have registered.
What? ಅದೇನ್ ಮನ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದ allegation just because that is there, why is it registered? System should not support such things, sir. Very, very bad.
And IO rights.
And IO rights. ಎಲ್ಲಿದು? Illegal immigrants ಅಂತಾನೆ ಬರೀತಾರೆ.
Oh, we are not saying that they are not legal.
What are you talking, sir? Illegal immigrants having the wherewithal and the system support to fight against the persons of this state. ಯಾಕೆ ಅವರು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರು ಇವ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಲ್ ಆಗಿ 15 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಇದಾರೆ ಅಂತ, ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರು ಅಂತ 15 ನಿಮಿಷದಲ್ಲಿ. Can anything be better illustration of abuse of the process?
If you have said they are not illegal immigrants, your lordship can say that it is they are not. In fact, we have said they are illegal immigrants. They are staying in this place illegally. We have produced them before FRRO. They have kept in a detention center.
The IO writes to FRRO saying that the complainant respondent is also illegal immigrant.
ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ
Alla, ಯಾರು complainant idare my lord?
ಅವರು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
No, he writes that he is
Illegal
staying
immigrant.
here from
They're not
15
saying
years.
they're not illegal immigrant. That is the reason we have taken them and produced before FRRO instantly.
ಯು ಶುಡ್ SOP ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಸೆಂಡ್ ದೆಮ್ ಔಟ್.
The FRRO,
ಇವರು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಗೆ ಇದೇನು ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Your Lordship may direct the FRRO also to will.
What? FRRO will direct them to expedite. That's a different thing. But how did you entertain this crime?
You know, what is that?
ಯಾರು ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್? ಟೈಮ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ FIR? ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ ತೋರಿಸಿ. ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಬಾಂಗ್ಲಾದೇಶ್.
ಹೌದು.
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಾಂಗ್ಲಾದೇಶ್. ಅಲ್ಲ, can there be a better illustrations?
I'm not justifying.
What system is this supporting such
I'm
things?
not justifying, my lord. We are saying that we have instantly, the moment we come to know, we have taken action. We have.
What action have you taken? FRRO ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 15 ನಿಮಿಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಡೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ರ ಇವರು.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಹೊಡೆದ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಏನ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಹೊಡೆದ?
Serial number 11 ರಲ್ಲಿ my lord, the next matter. I file a complaint at 1:30. FIR is registered at 3:30. May I request my lord to take serial number 11? Same, on the same petitioner, different police station, they register a complaint. I complain them, page number 19. May I request my lord to please take page number 19. That is a message which I get from ERS, Emergency Response System from the Karnataka Police. That is at 1:39 PM. Now, the FIR at page number 14 is registered at 3:30. They say ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಹೊಡೆದಿದೀವಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವರ್ತೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು FIR ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಅದು ಬೇರೆ another complaint.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಕ್ಕದ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
different police station.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್
Same doctor ಮೇಲ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, they're the different people, man. They are also
different people. My lord, please take page number
They are
18.
also being produced before FRRO.
ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 18 ಒಂದ್ ಸರಿ ತಾವ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ?
ಕೊಡತಿ ಗ್ರಾಮ, ಸರ್ಜಾಪುರ ರಸ್ತೆ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು.
ಸ್ವಂತ ವಿಳಾಸ ಜಾಶೋರ್ ಗ್ರಾಮ, ಸೌತ್ ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನ್, ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯತೆ ಬಾಂಗ್ಲಾದೇಶ.
Here also we have produced it. Both these cases, my lord, we have produced before FRRO. We have taken action immediately. It is not that we have not taken action.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ. ಅವರು 15 ದಿವಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಹೊಡೆದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ, did you subject them to examination? ಏನು ಅವ್ರ wound ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತ ಮೇಲೆ? ಇಲ್ಲ, they just came and saw the policeman. ಈ ತರ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದಿ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ನೇಷನ್. ಅದ್ನೇ wound ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರು ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್. ಇಫ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ in support of an illegal immigrant of Bangladesh against the people of this city, where is the thing, sir?
We are not. There is no question of shielding anybody.
Then what, sir? What is this? This system should stop. Stop appeasing. How long, sir? ಇದೇನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಪೀಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್? ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದಾರೆ 15 ನಿಮಿಷದಲ್ಲಿ wound ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಪೀಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್.
I'll secure the records, but this is
secure the records. This is not correct at all. ಅವ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಲ್ ಇಮಿಗ್ರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು
ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಮೆಲೋಡ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಶೂರ್
ಇವ್ರೇನ್ ಹೊಡೆದಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್?
ವೆರಿಫೈ ದಟ್.
ಇವ್ರು ಯಾಕೆ ಹೊಡಿತಾರೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, FIR ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಟೈಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್. 11:00 ಇವರು FRRO ಪತ್ರ ಬರೀತಾರೆ. 11:45 they register a complaint and it is on document saying that in 15 minutes have
assaulted them.
I'll verify that. May I request, Lord, let the FRRO be party.
So that I will do. FRRO party ಮಾಡಿ, we will direct the SOP to be operated and send them out.
That immediately, because they are written and they are kept in detention center. They are detention center, temporary detention center. And if the FRRO cannot take any action, then we will not be able to deport them. Therefore, my lord, let the FRRO be also be party.
If at all they want to act against illegal immigrants, they could have booked the landowner who has given them rent.
That
they
also
say
we'll do.
ಅದು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ.
We will do it.
They say
that also you don't.
We will do that also.
In FIR they say where they
and
are
I see in many places foreigners active. All these people are giving these people on rent for a few rupees more.
My lord,
entertaining these immigrants who have no visa to stay, no document to stay, only for the purpose that they are giving 1,000 rupees more rent.
In fact, Commissioner
if greed can overtake the security of the nation, what else can be done, sir?
Commissioner of Police has issued a direction for all the police stations and all the the citizens to cooperate with the thing. They are what to do, my lord, unfortunately.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಕ್ಟಿಮ್ಸ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ದಿ ರೈಟ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮುನ್ರಾಜು ಲೇಬರ್ ಶೆಡ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿ ವಿಲೇಜ್.
ಇದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಹಂಗೇನೆ.
till date,
Why action
nothing
is
is
not
registered.
taken against
I'll
them?
verify, we will take action against them.
If you don't take action against such people, this will mushroom.
No, we will take action against them. There's no question of shielding anybody. We'll take action against
ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
them. Our
ಅದು ಏನು 118 ಗೆ ವಾಲಂಟರಿಲಿ ಕಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಹರ್ಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು.
115. 115.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು 126. This system should not support such things, sir. How did the police station register a complaint? Were you arrested?
I was arrested, sent to custody, then released in serial number 9.
ಇದು ಐಸಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಕೇಕ್. ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇರೆ.
One day I was in custody, then I was released on bail.
Look at it, sir.
And I have to go
An
through all
illegal
this.
immigrant can go to the extent of getting him arrested because he is shown the place where the illegal immigrant stays. Man, what is this? ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೇಳಿ. What's the department doing?
I'll see, my lord.
Busy with other speeches. First, ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಗಿರೀಶ್?
Serial number 9.
ಯಾವ್ದು? ರೆಡ್ ಪೆಟಿಷನ್
11258.
FRR ನ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಿ
FRR.
ಮಾಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ದೆಮ್ ಔಟ್.
Yes.
Yes. The petitioner is now standing as an accused in crime number 343 of 2026 in a crime registered by one Nazrina, said to be an immigrant from Bangladesh illegally staying in the shores of this city. It is an admitted fact that the respondent is an illegal immigrant and does not have any document to stay in this nation. The investigating officer investigating into such illegal immigrants on 22/7/2026 communicates at 11:30 p.m. that the complainant is illegally staying in the city and is to be kept in the detention center for sending the complainant out of the shores of the nation. This happens at 11:30 at the hands of the investigating officer to the FRRO. The entire fulcrum of the communication to the FRRO is based upon the information given by the present petitioner that these people are the complainant along with others are illegally staying on the shores of this nation, on the shores of the city. In 15 minutes, the said illegal immigrant registers a complaint before the police station on the score that at 11:45, the petitioner has assaulted the illegal immigrant or the complainant, as the case would be. At 11:30, the investigating officer did not find any wound. In 15 minutes, as a counterblast to what the petitioner has informed to the FRRO about such illegal immigrants staying in the city, comes the impugned crime. It transpires, ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೇನಾ?
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ.
It transpires that the moment the said complainant struck the illegal immigrant registers a complaint before the police, the petitioner is taken into custody and is released on the next day. There cannot be a better illustration of an abuse of the process of the law at the hands of the police. It is ununderstandable as to how the crime even could be registered without there being any infliction of any injury, even according to the complaint in the case at hand. It is high time the system stops supporting illegal immigration, that too by registering crimes against the persons of the city. Against the persons of the city who only had showed such people staying as illegal immigrants. The learned SPP to secure instructions as to how the crime even is registered without any examination of any kind, and the petitioner taken into custody, all on a complaint which is apparently false, albeit prima facie. The FRRO be impleaded as a party respondent. False. The complaint is on 22/7/2026. The complainant's address, though shown in the first line staying at Bangalore, states that she is a resident of Bangladesh. This at least should have merited the station house officer to at least inquire into whether the incident has happened or otherwise, and not take the petitioner into custody arrested the petitioner immediately. The further investigation shall remain stayed till the disposal of the petition. The FRRO be impleaded as a party respondent to these proceedings. The learned Vinay Venugopal is directed to accept notice for the respondent FRRO, secure instructions as to what has become of these illegal immigrants to be sent beyond the shores of this nation by the next date of hearing. List the matter on, we'll take it on, list the matter on,
next week.
Yes, next week. List the matter on 6th August parli. List the matter on 6th August in the fresh matters list.
Great.
Next matter,
Next matter, same petitioner.
Same petitioner, complainant berena, incident adena?
Incident same, my lord. Complainant bere. Complaint is at page number 18.
One nimisha. Idu criminal petition.
Incident bere. Idralli nanu I call up.
Madam. The petitioner is the same in the subject petition. The complainant is different. Yeah, husband,
Illa, my lord. Separate. Very incident.
The complainant is different. The incident is the same. The petitioner seeks to register a complaint against the complainant at 1:30.
1:30.
At 1:30. Acknowledgement of the said complaint
Page
is
number 19.
appended to the petition. At 3:30, the crime is registered against this petitioner of all the offences. Again, on the same reason for identifying the illegal immigrant and showing it to the police. As a matter of fact, it is the state that has to tackle the mushrooming of illegal immigration and take action in accordance with law. Not doing that when a citizen is showing the illegal immigrants are registering crimes against those persons who are identifying them. If this would be permitted, it would become a classic illustration of abuse of the process of the law. Therefore, this FRRO same madibuttu. Yes. State until further orders. List on 6th.
May I request this both petitions can be tagged together.
Both tagged together. List on 6th.
Great.
Yes.
Number